Hey everyone, I'm Tim Collins and this is my channel FTA Adventures. Today I'm going to talk about 5 beginner tips for motorcycle camping. Stick around. So jumping right in, the first tip for beginners for motorcycle camping is going to be arrive early. Try to avoid getting there after dark and fumbling, having to deal with setting up your tent and all of that in the dark. It's a real pain in the butt. It does happen sometimes, but if you can avoid it, you definitely should. I know for me personally, I've had to set up in the dark and it's just not fun. Even for someone that's experienced and has set up their tent a lot, it's still just more cumbersome to be doing it in the dark. And plus, if you're using your headlight on your motorcycle for light while you're setting up camp, be careful not to drain your battery too much, because I've had people camp with me that did that exact thing and they woke up in the morning to a dead battery, which was not fun. So that's tip number 1, show up early. Tip number 2 for beginners is food storage. This is super important, especially if you're in bear country, but even if you're not. If you happen to be camping in bear country, hopefully there's bear boxes or you'll have to figure something out. Some places will rent out bear canisters and things like that, but you have to figure something out if you're in bear country. But other than camping in bear country, you still want to be careful with your food, because crumbs and a mess can attract smaller critters, which may not seem like a big deal, but those smaller critters will attract bigger critters. And it's really not good for the environment to leave food out, have animals getting the food, because then they get trained that people equals food, they become a danger to people, and then they have to be relocated or sometimes put down, which is really sad. And we definitely should avoid that at all costs. Tip number 3, this is one that I'm still sometimes guilty of, and that is not overpacking. You want to be comfortable and you want to make sure you have everything that you need, but you don't want to overdo it. It's going to be a lot of work fumbling through excessive amounts of gear that you don't really need and don't use all that often. This is something that could take a little bit of practice to get used to and really hone in what you actually need and what you just think you need. This is an ongoing process that I'm still going through myself and constantly improving and getting better. So not overpacking. It's going to be a danger on the motorcycle, and it's going to be a real hassle trying to find things you need that are buried under stuff you probably don't need. So that's tip number 3. Beginner tip number 4 is do your research. So if you're going camping and you're not sure you're going into bear country or not, do a little research first to find out. You can do this by either doing a quick Google search, or if you happen to be camping in, say, a national forest, you could stop at the Forest Service Department and ask them what kind of animals are in the area, what you need to be aware of. Are there any fire regulations and things like that? If you're not supposed to have a campfire, definitely don't do that. They may say, though, if you have a campfire, you're required to carry a shovel and a bucket. So these are things you want to know before you get out into the field. And just doing a little preliminary research online can help too. Plus, it's a nice way to start your adventure before you actually leave. You can kind of do some research on what's in the area, what do you need to look out for, what should you be excited about seeing, and that kind of thing. So do your research before you leave. Tip number 5, this is super important. Pack it in, pack it out. Take all your trash with you, and if you have a trash bag that has a little extra space in it, make sure to pick up some trash that might be lying around the campsite. This goes for established campgrounds or off-the-grid campgrounds. Pack all your trash out with you and earn a few karma points for picking up some extra trash if you happen to see any. This is important, like I said earlier, because of animals, but also just to keep it nice for the rest of us. So that's tip number 5. Pack it in, pack it out, take all your trash with you. Anyways, those are my 5 tips for beginner motorcycle campers. I hope you found something useful in this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe.